Okay, here we go again. Final update on Vicksburg Court. Right now, pretty much 90% done. Cleaned up outside. You see we did a pretty good job putting up this covering for the front deck. Added new wood and nice little balcony and stuff, you know. Brand new front door. We redid the hardwood floors, put some tile here in the entranceway, new railings, completely refinished this hardwood floor, got it a little deeper. We opened up the kitchen, put an island in the middle. You know, there's brand new windows all the way throughout the house. Yes. New recessed lights, everything. Everything brand new. Everything's looking pretty good. It took a little bit longer than expected, but the outcome is beautiful. As you can see, like I said, the paint job, we got that little grayish blue looking paint on the walls. Completely redid the bathrooms. Pretty much new doors throughout the house. New tiles in the bathroom, completely redone. I mean, completely. As you can look at the earlier videos, you'll see everything that we did, but this is the final results. Everything looking pretty good in here now. Yeah, this is I'm not like one of these guys here on the internet trying to tell you that, hey, come on, jump into this and everything is easy, because it's not easy. It took a lot of work, it took a lot of time, it took a lot of patience. It took a lot of management skills. I had to put in a lot of work, man. I did a lot of this work myself as well. Not a lot of the work, but I did some things like myself, like the floors and stuff like that. So it's not easy. It wasn't easy at all. Put new fixtures throughout the house, new lighting fixtures, new doors where need be, new doorknobs. These tiles, to me, they just, everything just blended in, everything just nice look, Master bedroom, we redid the tiles on the fireplace in there as well. Tiled over the fireplace. Get it looking pretty good. We added a recessed lights in here. A ceiling fan. Brand new carpet. Completely rearranged this bathroom. Added a nice shower. Actually still waiting on one more part of the glass to come in, but you get the picture how it's gonna turn out. So like I said, it took a little while longer than I expected because it was my first flip. You know, a few little things, a few little hiccups, but we pushed through and got everything done. A lot, you know, it was a big learning curve, but it was all worth it. This finished product right here, I think. You know, 6 bedrooms. It's 4 upstairs here. Everything's new. We put this new sliding glass door. We redid the deck. The deck was kind of falling, you know, old and stuff. We redid it, repainted it. Huge deck. Yeah. Put in some work on this one. The only thing I say we didn't do was put a new roof on it because the roof still had some time. And downstairs is like another huge, just what, 2 more bedrooms down here and another bathroom, washroom. Well, 3 more bedrooms actually. No, 2 more bedrooms downstairs and another bathroom. Here's 1 bedroom. I was thinking about staging it, but I don't think this one needed any staging, man. Pretty big. Kind of speaks for itself. We added this bathroom shower. There wasn't a shower in here. This was a small half a bathroom. We turned it into a full bathroom. Added a shower in here. New tiles, new everything. And then we have a washroom area here. Little washer and dryer can go right here. And here's another bedroom. Well, the closet vents. So yeah, that's final update on Vicksburg Court. My first flip. Put in some work on this one, and you know, they told me not to go too hard on my first one, but I didn't take that advice. I went hard and I finished it. That's what's up.